Oh no! Nagulat kayo, no? Akala nyo tawa ko? Hayop kaya ako! Ang sarap talaga ng tite! Trabaho, ipon, travel, enjoy! Ako po, Sir Balido Basera, a.k.a. Bea Bunda, ang mananahing kondusera ng Daijong Apparel Corporation, sa Rosario, Cavite. At ako po ang baklang, minsan ang tumutong sa entablado ng Miss Q&A August 18, 2017, Season 1, at December 13, 2018, Season 2. And I believe that being here on the stage is not just a battle to get the crown, to win the title or to have the prize. This is the battle between me, myself, and I, to show people the advantage of being who I am. That I'm a person that lives in one body, with two personalities, and hundreds of responsibilities, not only in my family, friends, in the society, but into this world, because I, as a Rosaccio, believes that I can reach the top of the world. At naniniwala po ako muli na ang tao mapagkumbaba, katulad ko po, mahaba ang baba. And I, thank you. The costume that I'm wearing for tonight is inspired from Aswang Festival, lugar ng Capiz, bansang Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po.